In today's video, I show simple and easy way to fix Windows cannot format this drive. Quit any disk utilities or other programs that are using this drive, and make sure that no windows are displaying the content of the drive. Then try formatting again. Error when you try to format drive. Click on Close, press Win+X, and select Disk Management. Make sure you select the correct drive. As you see here, delete volume is not active, so we cannot able to format the disk. Here are simple and easy ways to fix this issue. Just follow me. Windows plus E to open Windows File Explorer. Then right-click on this PC, then Properties. Now you can select System Protection or Advanced System Settings. We can get the same result. Move to the Advanced tab, and under the Performance option, click on Settings. Click on Advanced, then Change. Select the drive you need to format. In my case, D, as you see. It shows System Managed. Select Check, No Paging File. Then click on Set. As you are here, the System Managed is changed to None. Or you can select Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then click on OK. Finally, click on Apply, then OK. OK. Click on Restart Now, or you can also restart your PC later. Press the Windows key plus E to open File Explorer, then select the drive you need to format. Right-click, click on Format. Make sure the file system is NTFS, and then click Start and OK. As you see, the format process completes successfully. Click on Close. The problem is solved. Congratulations. To check, open Disk Management. Right-click on the drive, and as you see, Delete Volume is active. You can also format or delete volume here. Have any questions? Let me know in the comment.